This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both units. Make sure batteries are full and firmware is current. Turn on the receiver first. This lets it broadcast a pairing request. Once done, power the transmitter while watching the receiver's status LEDs. Keep the two devices close, roughly 1-3 meters, so the radio link establishes quickly. This initial ordering matters because the receiver listens for transmitter. Starting it first reduces confusion and speeds the handshake process. Now you actively pair. On the receiver, choose the pair option in the menu and confirm. This puts it into discoverable mode. Next, press and hold the transmitter's pairing button until its LED flashes rapidly, indicating it's searching. Once the receiver detects the transmitter, it will display a connection confirmation and switch LEDs to a steady color. After pairing, check input meters on the receiver to ensure the microphone is sending audio. Adjust trim if levels are too hot or too low. Finish by setting your input gain and headphone monitoring so your levels are clean and headroom exists. Make sure to lock or save settings if your unit supports it to avoid accidental changes. If pairing fails, power cycle both units and attempt pairing again within 30 seconds because radios reset quickly. If problems persist, move away from routers or transmitters and check for firmware updates. Interference or outdated software are the most common causes of stubborn connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.